So we opened investing.com, charts, live charts. This is where we went. Okay. Now remember this one thing, guys. We are trying to find the price action of the market. But this price action, if you are applying in equity market or commodity market, which is highly liquid, you can also apply this on a 15 minutes chart, a 30 minutes chart, an hourly chart, whatsoever. But as you can see, now let me show you. Let me show you something. Now this is a 5 minutes chart of USD INR, and on the right side is the 5 minutes chart of (15-minute) chart of USD INR, and this is a 15 minutes chart of Nifty. Now see, look at the chart of USD INR. Can you see all these spikes on a candle, while there are hardly any spikes in the case of Nifty? Even if Nifty is a very important product, even if you do not look at Nifty, just look at any of the share, for example, Reliance Industries. It also had decent volumes. Even if you look at some other share, it also has got a decent volume. Adani Enterprises has significantly lower volume compared to Reliance, but still the chart doesn't look like this. Now, look at this chart, a Z category share. Now see, the chart looks similar here. The problem currently in the Indian currency market is the liquidity. But let me tell you one thing, that doesn't mean that you have less trading opportunities. That I have been consistently, with the grace of Almighty, every month for the last at least 7-8 months, which I remember very clearly. Yes, in one of the months, around 8 to 10 months ago, I made a minor loss. But then for the last 7-8 months, I am consistently being positive, profitable in the USD INR. All I want to say is that the liquidity is less in USD INR doesn't mean that the trading opportunities are less. The only thing I want to say here is that in USD INR, when I talk about a price action strategy here, or some of the important candlestick patterns with you that may work on any of the asset classes, they may not work on a shorter time frame in any of the currencies. So the only thing that I need to follow, the only thing, if I was talking to you about Nifty and Bank Nifty, then you could have asked me to open any time frame. I can show you how the strategies and how the candlesticks are being profitable. While in this module, if you ask me about the currency market, I will not be able to justify that why a particular candlestick pattern is not being successful in USD INR. Even thing here, maybe I have never removed these event split dividends from my chart. You can, I think, remove it from here. Yeah, hide marks on Mars. Perfect. I hope, guys, you are getting what I'm trying to say. So the next topic that I'm going to discuss with you, this topic or this thing can be applied to any of the stocks or index which have decent volumes. While the product, as we can say, USD INR hardly has any volume in intraday here. So I am not going to apply this on a very short time frame. I will be using this on a slightly longer term time frame. Z categories, there are many category of stocks. A category stock, B category stock, Z category stocks. Z category stocks have the least volumes. And they are very prone to manipulation. Now let us come here. Why I am using a 2 hourly chart. Now I hope that gives your answer also. That why I prefer using a 2 hourly chart. At least on a 2 hourly chart, this thing is subdued a bit.